Hello everybody. Today we have a new project which is an auto-retraction from my Logloader from US1 trucking. And as you know, when I drive here with my dump truck, you see the loader does not retract, it stays up there. Now I found a kit which makes it possible to auto-retract, and this is the project for today, and we'll see if it works. I ordered me this kit which you can enhance your load dumper, and it should auto-retract. And first of all, we'll have a look and get it set up. So I put everything together. And as you see, you take the larger pin and put it in here. Everything is fits so far, and the smaller pin you put in here. So the next step will now be we'll get the loader and take them apart and look inside. So what I first did is I took off the loader. It's real simple. And the next step is I'm gonna loosen these 3 screws and look in the inside. So here we have now the loader open, and now we will change the parts from the kit so that auto-retraction should work. I'll show you in a moment how it looks like. So the next step is that you take the wheel and see that it's gonna fit inside like this. This has to be straightened out, and then you add this new one with the peg right here, and you put the peg inside, and this then lines up. So these are now the 2 new parts from the kit, and then you put the original part back in. So that it looks like this. Now this is flattens out. So the next step is that you put it back together, and you have to be careful not to break the pegs. Here are the 4 places where the set gets together, and it's going to take maybe some time, maybe it's easy, but be careful so you don't break anything. So everything is back installed, and we'll have a test and see if the auto-retraction is working. Yes, that looks good. So the kit's working great. So project successfully. And if you have also interest, please try it yourself and enjoy watching. Bye.